Hi Gainesville families, it's Miss Romano with a teacher tip for you. I read that we have some really cool things going on in the sky this month. For example, May 7th, we have a milk moon, which is also going to be the last supermoon of 2020. On May 12th, this moon, Jupiter, and Saturn will appear really close. And on May 27th, the comet Swan will be visible to the naked eye. So that got me thinking about a fun project to do at home with moon phases. All you need is a paper plate or construction paper. It can be done on that as well. Some markers, a fork, and Oreos. So you're going to take your paper plate or your construction paper, draw an earth in the middle, and then complete all 8 moon phases. I like to draw it on first, and you know me, you know I like to have an anchor. So I made little marks with my Sharpie at the top, at the bottom, the left, and the right, and then one in the middle of each, and that gave me 8 for my phases. So you want to draw them all on, and then take an Oreo, split it in half, take the side that has the most frosting, and with your fork, scrape off part of the frosting for whatever phase you're creating. Then you can put it on, lay it down on your paper plate like this, and you can do it all the way around. I hope you have fun with this out of world project. Happy learning, y'all.